All right, first vlog. This is the sexiness that happens before makeup. Trying to clean up my messy ass desk so that I can film. Just not feeling it. We did Christmas Eve over here for dinner. Christmas Day, went to my aunt's house for dinner, which we have like a huge family. So that's a big whole thing. And then 4 days later is my son's birthday. So we went to Chuck E. Cheese yesterday and did that, which was a lot of fun. He had a blast, the kids had a blast. It's a little much for me, but it was really nice to see him have so much fun. But Chuck E. Cheese is exhausting. Anyway, I haven't cleaned and like, house was nice and spotless right before Christmas. Now it's just trashed. I think I might do like a lip swatch video, but I really hate my lips, so I might film it and then trash it. We'll see. But I got a bunch of those, excuse me. I got a bunch of those Flower Beauty liquid lipsticks. I tried one and I really liked it, so I went ahead and got some more. They were on sale on the Flower Beauty site for 40% off. So I got some different colors, and I haven't tried any of those yet. So that's what I'm gonna do today. We'll see. That's the plan, at least. I haven't even gotten in the shower, and it is, I don't even know what time it is. 11. It's 11. We'll see how productive I am. So, doing my makeup just so I can film. Do you ever have those days where it's like perfect makeup day, and the last thing you have to do is apply your mascara? You know where this is going, right? And then you severely jack yourself right in the eye with the mascara wand and it ruins the whole thing. That's what happened. Hopefully I have salvaged it enough. There was mascara everywhere. I didn't just like tap myself in the eye. I thought I was gonna go blind for about 5 minutes because I could not open my eye. It hurt so bad. What are you doing, baby girl? This is Mia. She just traded her spots. Hi, Mia. What are you doing, pretty girl? She's also a very good lookout. Oh, Bella. Oh, baby. Oh, you're my good girl. Oh, I love. Oh, she loves. Oh, ear nibbles. Thank you. So nice. Oh, so nice. Oh, and that's Max. He gets very jealous. We have like sheets all over our furniture because I got brand new couches and we let the dogs lay on the furniture. So I'm just trying to keep him nice for a minute. Did you get jealous? Was mommy talking sweet to somebody and it wasn't you? Oh, don't be so sad. I love you so much. Yeah, rub that nose. Oh, okay, let me do it some more. Oh, yeah. Here you go. Oh, more. Oh, okay. I love you. I love you. Oh. Oh, does that feel nice? Oh, yeah. Get it. Oh, thank you for kissing. Yeah, such a good boy. Oh, I'm not done yet. If I say hi to one, I gotta say hi to all of them. Then when it comes Max's turn, this happens. I get them all wound up. All right, so playtime is over. Now they're all exhausted. I know, my sheets everywhere are so trashy, but that's just what I decided I was gonna do. All right, so I guess I can stop procrastinating and actually film. I don't want to. I just don't want to. But I'm going to. I'm gonna do it. There's just so much. This 2017 one is gonna be a big one. I hope you guys like it, because I probably already have it up. I don't know which one I'm gonna put up first. We'll see, but I hope you guys like it. All right, filming setup ready to go. We are gonna do this. Finally, it's 2 o'clock now. 3 hours later, I'm finally ready. Okay, done filming. Filmed 2 videos. I did my 2017 favorites, and then I filmed a lip swatch video. We discussed that earlier, I think. You guys are gonna have to let me know how that turned out, if I put it up, if you liked it, because I am not great at putting on lipstick. It is 4 o'clock and I am uploading what I just filmed and I'm gonna edit. And that's what I'm doing on my New Year's Eve. I'm okay with it. I don't wanna go out, so I don't really care. Okay, I love you. Bye. Chicken noodle soup for dinner. That's how we do. Christmas Eve.
It's not Christmas Eve.
I mean, what? New Year's Eve. It's New Year's Eve today.
But you said Christmas Eve.
I did. I messed up. Blah, 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 blah.
What's important about New Year's Eve?
Tomorrow is the first day of the new year.
What's New Year?
New Year's is a whole new year. So this year is 2017. Tomorrow will be 2018. Whole new year.
2017 changes to 2018.
That's right.
I like this.
You like things to stay the same, huh?
Yep.
Bella, you're not being helpful, honey.
Oh!
Not sponsored. This stuff, you guys, if you are trying to cut out dairy, but your kids still like chocolate milk, this is, I call it nipple pea milk, just because I think it's funny and that's what it looks like. So it's actually Ripple chocolate nutritious pea milk, dairy free as it should be, 8 grams of plant-based protein and 30% less sugar than chocolate milk, 50% more calcium than milk, and 32 milligrams of DHA omega-3s. Not sponsored, but delicious. Kid tested, mother approved. What was that on? Is that like Kix or something? I don't remember. Tell me down in the comments. I think it was Kix. Kid tested, mother approved. Or is that just like Kellogg's in general? Load of crap. But also, I get the original Ripple pea milk. I like nipple pea milk.
You like calling it Ripple pea milk.
I like calling it nipple pea milk, but it's called Ripple. But doesn't that looks like an N, right? Right? You guys see it, right? So I use this instead of milk in my coffee.
Let me see. That's an R.
It is an R, but it kind of looks like an N.
No, show them the balloon car.
Oh, so he took his birthday balloons from Chuck E. Cheese and tied them to his little car so that when he drives his car around, the balloons go with him.
Watch this.
And then he uses his Nerf gun to shoot the balloons. That's his target practice. Pretty dang creative, if you ask me.
This.
All right, I'm watching. Yeah. Okay. We need to take the sheets off the couch because I have to wash those too. Can you pull this one off for me on the little one and I'll get the one on the big one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate the help. Thank you.
But I still don't want to do it, like really badly.
I know, I don't blame you. I don't want to do it either. But it goes twice as fast if I have help. And the help is really appreciated. Oh, I hate laundry. What's your guys' least favorite household chore? Mine is cleaning the showers. I hate that so much.
And she hates it.
I hate it. Want to see what our couches look like without sheets? We got them from IKEA. You like them? They're pretty damn comfortable.
I hate IKEA so much.
He hates IKEA. We took him there one time and he's like scarred for life. So he never wants to go back. Never ever?
Never ever.
It's not that fun. It's fun for me. A little overwhelming. A lot overwhelming, actually. So I've been twice. The first time was ridiculously overwhelming. If you guys have never been there before, you won't understand until you go. I can't even begin to explain. If you've been there before, then you get it. It's a lot. The first time you go, it's a lot to take in. I recommend going with someone that's been there before because that will be super helpful. But we went 2 newbies, never been before, with a 6-year-old, so I don't recommend that.
Well, I'm not 6 anymore.
No, you're 7 now, huh? The second time we went though, my husband and I went by ourselves, and we knew what we needed, and since we knew like how the store worked, it was a lot easier. It was no big deal whatsoever. Still takes a long time because it's just such a big store, but when you know what you want, it's not that bad, and when you know like how the store works, it's not that bad.
But IKEA, when you first walk in and you don't know what you're getting, it's like, I hate it.
Girls, are you waiting for Daddy? Is Daddy coming home soon? Yeah, he's gonna be here soon. Oh, see? Now they're jealous. Hi, baby. And this is why we have sheets on the couch. Aw, look at you guys. They're so cute. Aw, pretty babies. Such a pretty girl. We'll see if I can vlog anything while husband's home. He is very not at all about electronics or anything like that. So he just recently got Snapchat, and that's because he's a volunteer firefighter, and he goes out, especially
I'm a volunteer firefighter.
Jackson is. He helps them at the station. He helps clean the engines and all of that when they get home, huh? Yep, he works really hard over there to help. So anyway, so my husband's went out on, I don't know, like 7 fires this summer. We live in California, and if you guys follow the news at all, you know pretty much all of California was on fire at some point this summer. So he's been on the strike teams on a lot of fires. What was the point of my story? Where was I going with this? I forget the point of my story. Good story, Asia. Oh, so he got Snapchat on his phone so that he could video call us and say goodnight to Jackson and goodnight to me and all that stuff. And that's pretty much the extent of his, he'll text. I finally just got him to text about a year ago. Before he was very much like, people need to just call, like he didn't believe in the whole texting thing. Now he gets how much easier it is, and he's on board with it. And then the Snapchat thing, he's liking it. He likes playing with the filters. But just like talking to a camera or taking pictures of him or anything, he's so uncomfortable. So I don't know if he's gonna be in the vlogs. We'll see. He's probably gonna think it's stupid, to be honest, but we'll see. It would be nice because he's pretty awesome if you guys could share in what I get to see daily, except when he's not awesome. And I want to smother him with a pillow. Watching The Sandlot with my 2 little matching shirt guys over here.
Finally, Dad wants to be in a video. Get in.
Get in there.
I've already been there.
No, you aren't. Get in.
Best New Year's. So that's my little daily Sunday ramble. Kind of what I do. Hopefully you guys weren't too bored, but hopefully you got to know me a little bit better. Talk to you guys later.